Hi guys, this is Prashant here. In this video, I am going to show you how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing, of course, using ClickFunnels affiliate program. Well, before going into this video, if you are new to this channel, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification because I will be posting the videos on regular basis how to earn money in online, and not only that, also a products which will be useful for you to get commission with affiliate marketing. Okay, then let's skip into today's topic. Well, what you can expect in this video? Well, I am going to tell you how to promote ClickFunnels affiliate program, right? So ClickFunnels affiliate program is available worldwide. You don't need of any skills or experience needed because I will be showing you the skills required in the upcoming videos on how to do it, so you don't need to panic about that. And it is also very easy to set it up, and it is an evergreen method because once you start gaining ClickFunnels trials under you, it will be like an basic recurring income for you, monthly recurring income, like $20 to $30 for one trial. You will be getting it as a recurring commission on monthly basis. So it is good, right? If you get a ClickFunnels trial under you. Well, it is not that easy, but you can make it. I will show you how to do that. Well, you will have a next question like, how long is this gonna take me? Well, if you start it right now, you need to implement it. You need to create some funnels and need to know how to promote it. Well, everything will be explained in this video, so stick with me throughout the end. How much effort do I need to put in? Well, you need to put some of the effort, but you don't need to worry because I will be cutting off your effort to 50% because I will be giving you some free funnel for you. It will be available in the description below, so make sure you pick it up. And how much money is this gonna cost? Well, if you are promoting some of the products, you need to know that product in full-fledged manner. So if you are promoting ClickFunnels, you need to know what is ClickFunnels is used for, what is sales funnel is about, how you can use it effectively. So for that, you need to join this ClickFunnels program, which is of $97 per month only, and it is not that much of amount. If you get into ClickFunnels, you know how much it will be useful for you. With the sales funnels, you can create your own products and many other things. You can create an bridge funnel, and you can also correct lead funnels, many other things, which I will be explaining it in the future videos. So stick with me in this channel by subscribing to it. It's now the right time for me. Well, you may think like ClickFunnels has reached some certain point, we cannot able to promote it. Many other big affiliates are promoting it. We small affiliates can't able to promote it. Well, don't think about all that. Everyone has their own method. You need to pick your own right method to promote it. Okay then, stay till the end because I will be showing you step by step of how this method works, which I am using it right now. I will be showing you a step by step blueprint, and also how to set this up, and also an example in the sense I will be giving the same funnel which I am showing it to you right now, which will be available in the description. So stick with me throughout the end, and also if you stick with me throughout the end, I will show you how to fast track this process. Okay then, let's see this affiliate program is about. Well, affiliate program is like, in this ClickFunnels affiliate program, you will earn up to 40% monthly recurring commission. Well, the ClickFunnels has changed their structure. For if you are joining ClickFunnels affiliate program right now, you will be only getting like 20% commission. And not only that, you from 20% commission, you can go up to 40% commissions in the ClickFunnels. I will tell you how to reach from 20 to 40% in the ClickFunnels affiliate area. And not only that, there are, instead of promoting ClickFunnels trials, you can also promote ClickFunnels products, which is like one funnel away challenge, traffic secrets book, .com secrets book, and many other things which will be in the ClickFunnels affiliate program. If you are promoting one funnel away challenge, you will be getting like 100% commission. I will tell you below how to do that. Well, this is the affiliate structure as of right now. If you are joining as a new affiliate in ClickFunnels program, you will be starting with 20% commission. Well, if anyone joins under you for $97, from $97 you will be only getting 20% commission only. So how you can move up to 20 to 30%? Well, if you gain $1,000 in a month, then you can apply for 30% commission in the ClickFunnels program. Once you reach $1,000 in a month, you can apply for it. Well, I will show you how you can reach that $1,000 amount in a month also. So don't need to worry. And after that, how you can reach out to 40% commission. Well, if you gain members under your ClickFunnels program, well, if you gain 40 members under you, then you can apply for 40% commission with ClickFunnels. And also not only that, you will be getting a tier up commission. In the sense, it will be a tiered program, tier 1, tier 2. Well, you don't need to go after that right now, because I am sure many of them will be like starting affiliates with 20% commission. You just focus on how to gain the $1,000 in a month so that you can move up to 30% commission. Well, these 20%, 30% and 40%, all these commissions are on recurring monthly basis only. So next is about how you can achieve that $100 a day. It's simple. Promote OFA. I told you right before, you need to achieve $1,000 in a month to move up from 20% to 30%. Well, it is simple because you need to promote one funnel away challenge, which is in the ClickFunnels program. Once you join this ClickFunnels program, you will be getting an access to promote one funnel away challenge and some of the books like Traffic Secrets and .com Secrets and all. You can't able to promote ClickFunnels because it was cut off by the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So you can only promote OFA. So start promoting one funnel away challenge. If you get one funnel away challenge sale, you will be getting a $100 as a commission. So you just need to sell 10 one funnel away challenge to your customers to reach $1,000 in a month. Once you reach that, just mail it to ClickFunnels. Regarding that, you need to move up to 20% to 30% commission. Once you move up, you can also promote the ClickFunnels trial. Only if you reach $1,000 per month only, they will be releasing the ClickFunnels trial link for you to promote it. And solution is how you can do this method. Well, people want to start business, right? So if you are promoting ClickFunnels or an one funnel away challenge, you don't need to spam the links in Facebook or Facebook groups and reach out to people, like spam them or anything. You just need to reach out to the people who are interested in starting their own business. Tell them like you know how to do a sales funnel, so that you can teach them how to do a sales funnel for them to start a new business. And also reach out to people who are need funnels. You just create the funnels and share it with them. By sharing the funnels, you can get a new trial because they will be using your share funnel to create the ClickFunnels account. And also reach out to people who don't know how to create funnels. You can teach them how to create your funnels for them. And if they don't know how to drive traffic, teach them how to drive traffic. Basically, you reach out to the people who have these type of problems. So you reach out to them with the solutions. Only by giving value, you can able to get the trials. Because it is a ClickFunnels affiliate program, because you can get commissions, don't spam it to others. Only help the people who are in need, because only if they are in need, they will be sticking with that trial and become a ClickFunnels member for some of the long time. If they don't need it, they will cancel in a midway, like 3 to 4 months after. Only the needy people will keep it. So look for the problems they have and give them solution based on that. Many people will be picking up OFA because OFA will teach us how to start how to start with sales funnel and to create with it, because that will be teaching by Russell Brunson and many of the big ClickFunnels affiliates. So provide them a solution instead of just spamming the link with it. I will show you how you can set it up also, so don't need to worry about that. Well, for me, what I came up with is like this course. I introduce them to my funnels. Introduce them to the funnels, in the sense I will show them what basically the funnel is all about. And next is about, I will show them the importance of funnels in their particular business. And after that, I offer them a free funnel to go with it. By offering them a free funnel, they will be picking it up the ClickFunnels trial. Now after that they will become a member, right? And also I will teach them how to create it. If anyone is joining ClickFunnels trial under me, I have taken them to a new Facebook group, that is a private Facebook group of mine, where I will be teaching them on how to create sales funnels step by step. Because once they are come into trial, they will not stick with you if you don't provide any value. So I will be providing them value on the consistent basis in my Facebook group on how to create funnels, how to create product, how to set it up, how to promote it with traffic and everything. Well, this is the course which I have recently came up with for my one of the ClickFunnels, those who are joining my ClickFunnels program. So it is like this is the tips. What this is first, in the sense I will be showing you what ClickFunnels basically is about, how does it works, and real life examples, who can you help it, how can you do it. It is like basically a 5 day lessons. I will tell you what this 5-day lessons is all about and how you can do it. And next is I will be giving the resources for free trial, start building your email list, and one funnel away challenge, and $10K marketing channel. I will be giving this for free for you also. You can pick it up. Well, I am just working on the videos as of right now. You can use my videos also. Otherwise, you can create your own videos and post it here and you can use it. You just need to give it to the members who are in need so that they can know what ClickFunnels is all about and they can know what ClickFunnels will do, how can build the sales funnel, how they can able to capture the emails, and not only that, it will also to tell them how to go with one funnel away challenge. If they are picking this up one funnel away challenge, I am giving like free bonuses, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 and week 5 bonuses. In the sense I will be recapping the one funnel away videos which is taught by the big marketers in this. I am giving them as a bonus. Not only that, I will be giving them also as one funnel away sales funnel, in the sense the funnel which I am using to promote one funnel away, which is also I am giving it for them for free so that they can promote it. And next one is about I will be giving them, if they are anyone picking up ClickFunnels under my trial, I will be giving them how to use the ClickFunnels in a full-fledged manner and also an advanced training and a free funnel template. In the sense I have like nearly 20 funnels. I am giving my customers who are under me and funnel on the monthly basis. So I am building a funnel and product on monthly basis. I am giving them for free so that they can able to promote it. So these are the things which I have taken as of right now to promote the product. You can also get this membership site in the description below. And not only that, here I have given for 14-day trials and join my 30 days challenge. In the sense that is an FB group. If anyone is joined under my group, joined under my ClickFunnels style, they will be joining the group also, where I will be teaching them personally how to do it. Well, this is the step, right? So basically this is like 5 lessons which I told you how to use ClickFunnels effectively. So that is what I am also going to do it. Many of them doing like they are driving from traffic from AdWords, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube directly to ClickFunnels trial. That will not be good as of right now, because you are not providing any value, you are just promoting it. That is not a good thing. What I will be doing is like, instead of sending directly to ClickFunnels trial, I will be sending them to training page, which is like the membership site which I showed you earlier. This is the membership site which I will be giving them for free so that they can directly come into this membership site. Once they are logged into membership site, I will be collecting their email address also. So those email address will be gone to my GetResponse account. So I will be getting email address, and also not only that, they will be going through this membership area which I am giving an entire program how to promote, how to create ClickFunnels and how to promote it in this building and site and a membership site. So here I got 2 things. One is their email address, and another thing, they can able to get in touch with me personally with this membership site. After I got them, in an email list, I will be following up with the email. Following up with the email in the sense, I will be sending on day 1, I will be sending what is ClickFunnels is about, and I will be also attaching for first video. This first video I will attach it in my email for them. And how to build one is on day 2. I will be attaching the second video and how it can help them, how it can help ClickFunnels, how it can help for them. I will be attaching the third video. On fourth video, which is like free funnels, I will be giving them a free funnels for them so that they can start away with it. And last is how can they do it. So these are the 5 videos which I will be posting it here in an upcoming month. You can use those also, otherwise you can shoot your own videos also. So after that, I will be following up with them in the email basis, because with the membership site, I have collected their email address. I am getting in touch with them personally with my Facebook group, and they can able to learn what is about ClickFunnels, how to create sales funnel, how to create, how to get promote OFA challenge, how to get ClickFunnels trials under them. So everything they will be getting training in this membership site, and also they can get this membership site for free if they join under me, so they can also promote it. And once they join my Facebook group, I will be teaching them personally on how to further go through with this ClickFunnels affiliate program so that they can retain under my trial, because I am providing value on a monthly basis, right? So this is how I am promoting my ClickFunnels trial, and this will be a great way for you to start with it, because once you provide value on how to effectively use ClickFunnels, then they will stick with you for it. If you don't promote ClickFunnels with the value, then they will not stick with you for an entire long time. So provide value to them, provide them how to effectively use ClickFunnels, how to effectively use sales funnels, how to build a funnel, and also give the funnels for free for them, those who are joining under you. That is a great way for you to earn ClickFunnels style and to start with it. So I am giving this membership site in my link description below. Start with it. Upload it in your ClickFunnels and start with it. If you are going to promote, first of all you need to promote, if you are new to this, first of all you need to promote one funnel away challenge, right? So you go through this one funnel away challenge where I am giving my one funnel away challenge template for you to promote it so that you can get it for free. You just set up your one funnel away challenge template and promote it right now. And not only that, if you get one funnel away challenge from me, I will be giving away this training also. So you can add these trainings to those who sign up for under your OFA channel. In the sense, if anyone join with your OFA funnel link, you can also give these OFA challenge bonuses which I am giving you right now. I am giving you the license right to give it away for those who are joining under you for OFA challenge. Well, that's it in this video.